So we have seen path and list view. So list view also a similar to what we have a related list. But what's the difference between a list view and related list is the list view is if it is not even related to this object, it could be any object. Let's say if it is not, if it is related to this object or not related to the object, it doesn't matter. So usually we use a list view only in a home page or app pages. So this will show you all the records if you select whatever the project, whatever the list view you are going to select. So usually this list view will be the whatever list views that we have, right? Let's say on projects, we have this list views. Recently viewed will not be available. Whatever you created the custom list views, those will be available. So I have created all here. So let's go to the resource and create some list views. So I have all as pinned one. So I want to have one more saying as a gold subscription. So you are yes resources. API name only to me, all users. I want to keep it. Save. So I have a gold subscription. So what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to add a filter on a subscription and I want to make it as for a gold and done. So and if I do a save, it will only show me the gold partnership resources only. Okay, I done the save. And next is I want to have the list view of the resources. I want to have the resources, and here I want to see only the gold partner, gold subscribe, sorry, gold subscription resources, and number of records I want to display. It's 10. I'm just placing enable inline edit. I don't want to edit in inline here, and hide list view bar action. I don't want to see here that actions you see here, right? So if you want to see it or hide, you can do. And if you want to keep the search bar here or not, you want to hide it, just hide it. So just different controls you have. Usually we don't use this in a record page. Usually we use it in a home page or an app page. So still, if you want to use, you can use. There's an option to use it. So there's nothing you can stop from using it. Okay. Then list view is done. Then Launchpad. This Launchpad something I'm looking at first time. Let's see what it is. Launchpad is empty. Launchpad items. Create shortcuts to a standard and custom object, lightning component, lightning page, visual force page, and external website. So basically, it's kind of creating a shortcut links, and wherever you want, you can add. First you have to create the links. Then only you can see those links over here. So there is option to create the launchpad items here. So for which you want to add a launchpad items. So let's say if you feel that project is important one, and anything that you feel that you mostly use and you want to navigate to it, then you can add that as a launchpad item. So here that's how it comes. Just if you do a click, it will automatically navigate to that pages. Okay, I don't want to add it here. Just I want to remove. It's becoming ugly. Where we have Launchpad and highlights panel we have seen, and flow or guide and flow. These two are when we have covered the flows. Then we can see we can have to create a flows, and then only we can add it to the pages. We have any kind of a custom flow, so we have to we can add that flows to a pages by using this one. So you have to add it here once, and then you have to pick what is your flow name. These are all the standard flows that are given, and we can create our own flows and give a try. Okay, I don't want to add it here. I'm just removing, and similarly here also. Einstein next best action is also when we have a Einstein analytics. We have some prediction and all. Then we can use this as an Einstein next best action can be used on the record pages. Activities we have seen, actions and recommendations. So this is what are all the from history, actions and recommendations. Mhm. Okay, I need to check this also. I see it new. I'll check and let you know this one. Actions and recommendations. Okay, any questions here? I think that's all we have in this here. So, and it's not only the things. And when we have development, we have Einstein analytics, and what all we are covering, we can see those what all we are living here, and what all some of the topics like reports that we have not covered, right? So once we build that one, then we can see how to add those reports to a record pages and different pages. Okay, I open for questions. So let me know if you have any questions.